In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an artifact in Claude AI. By the end, you will know 2 simple ways to get from an idea to a working artifact, and you'll understand how to phrase your requests so Claude can build exactly what you have in mind. Let's start with the fastest path. Direct prompting, which is the recommended approach. First, log into Claude AI. Once you are in a chat, talk to Claude the way you would to a helpful teammate. Ask for a specific, structured output. For example, you could say, build an HTML single-page application for a calculator, or create a React component for a to-do list. The key is clarity. Mention the framework or language you prefer, any features you want included, and any constraints that matter to you, like responsiveness or accessibility. As soon as you send your request, Claude will generate the code and automatically open the artifact pane on the right side. That pane is where your project comes together. If something isn't quite right, just refine your instructions in the chat. Small focused adjustments like requesting a different layout, adding validation, or changing styles help Claude update the artifact quickly and accurately. Now, if you prefer a more guided start, you can use the new artifact feature. From the main interface, navigate to the Artifacts menu in the sidebar. In the top right corner, click the New Artifact button. You will be prompted to select a category, such as games or apps. Pick the one that best fits your idea. Categories help set the context, so Claude understands the general shape of what you are building. After selecting a category, begin defining your project in the chat. Describe the purpose of the project, the core features you need, and any technical preferences. Think of it like writing a clear creative brief: who it's for, what it should do, and how it should look or behave. Claude will use that information to generate the artifact and guide the build-out in a structured way. A few quick tips to get the best results with either method. Be explicit about inputs and outputs. List essential features before nice-to-haves and keep your initial scope manageable so you can iterate smoothly. If you use libraries or frameworks, name them. If you have style preferences, say so. The clearer your direction, the cleaner the artifact. That's it. Thanks for watching.